Starting a business is a big step, and it takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and money. One of the most common ways for entrepreneurs to get the funding they need is by taking out a business loan. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we're going to go over 8 things entrepreneurs should look for when getting a business loan. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. Interest rate. The interest rate is one of the most important things to consider when getting a business loan. It's the amount of money you'll have to pay back on top of the loan amount, and it can vary widely depending on the lender. Make sure to shop around and compare rates to find the best deal. It's also important to understand the difference between fixed and variable interest rates. Fixed interest rates will remain the same throughout the life of the loan, while variable interest rates can change based on the market. While a fixed rate may have a higher interest rate at the beginning, it can provide predictability and stability for your business. On the other hand, a variable rate may have a lower interest rate initially, but it can increase over time, which can make budgeting and forecasting more difficult. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons and decide which option is best for your business. Don't underestimate the annual percentage rate, APR, as it includes all the fees and costs associated with the loan, giving you a clearer picture of the total cost of the loan. Number 2. Repayment terms. Another important factor to consider is the repayment terms of the loan. This includes how long you have to pay the loan back and how much you'll have to pay each month. Make sure the terms are manageable for your business and that you'll be able to make the payments on time. It's important to review the repayment schedule, as it can vary from lender to lender. Some loans may have a fixed repayment schedule where you pay the same amount each month, while others may have a variable repayment schedule where the amount you pay each month can change based on interest rates or other factors. You should also consider the impact of the repayment schedule on your cash flow and make sure that it won't put an undue strain on your business. Additionally, ensure you understand if there are any penalties for late or missed payments and what happens if you need to change the repayment schedule or if you want to pay off the loan early. Number 3. Collateral. Some business loans require collateral, which is something of value that the lender can use as a guarantee that the loan will be paid back. This could be property, equipment, inventory, or even personal assets such as a home or car. It's important to understand that if you default on a loan, the lender has the right to seize the collateral as payment. Before applying for a loan, it's crucial to understand the collateral requirements and whether you are comfortable with the risk of potentially losing the assets you put up as collateral. Additionally, make sure to consider the cost of losing the assets and how it may impact the operation of your business. It's also important to research and understand the different types of collateral and their relative strengths in the event of default. Number 4. Credit score. Your credit score is one of the most important factors in getting a business loan. Lenders use it to determine your creditworthiness and ability to repay the loan. It's a numerical representation of your credit history and repayment patterns. A good credit score shows that you have a history of paying your debts on time and that you are a responsible borrower. On the other hand, a low credit score can make it difficult to get approved for a loan or can result in higher interest rates. By the way, don't forget to check out our video on 5 ways to improve your credit score. We're sure you will love it. Let's go back to our main topic. Before applying for a loan, it's important to check your credit score and make sure it's in good shape. You can obtain your credit score for free from the major credit bureaus. And if you find any errors, it's important to dispute them as soon as possible. It may also be helpful to pay off any outstanding debts or take steps to improve your credit score before applying for a loan. Remember, a good credit score is essential for getting approved for a business loan and getting the best terms possible. Number 5. Lender reputation. It's important to work with a reputable lender. Do your research and make sure the lender is reputable and has a good track record. You can check online reviews, ask for referrals from other entrepreneurs, or even contact your local Small Business Administration office for recommendations. A good lender will be transparent about their loan process, have a clear and easy to understand application process, and offer competitive rates and terms. Additionally, a reputable lender will be able to provide you with references from past borrowers and a clear explanation of the loan process, including the interest rate and the repayment terms. You will also want to find out if the lender is FDIC insured, which means that your deposit will be insured by the government. It is also a good idea to find out if the lender is a member of the Community Reinvestment Act, which means that they are committed to providing credit to low-income and minority communities. You can be sure that getting a business loan will be a good experience if you do your research and work with a reputable lender. Number 6. Fees and closing costs. Before you sign on the dotted line, make sure you understand all the fees and closing costs associated with the loan. These costs can add up quickly and eat into your loan amount, so it's important to be aware of them. Origination fees are typically a percentage of the loan amount and are charged by the lender for processing the loan. Closing costs can include things like appraisal fees, title search fees, and recording fees. And prepayment penalties are charges that some lenders may impose if you pay off the loan early. These costs can vary widely depending on the lender, so make sure to ask about them up front and factor them into your budget. Don't be afraid to negotiate these costs or shop around for a lender that has lower fees. Remember, the more you know about the costs associated with the loan, the better prepared you'll be to make an informed decision. Number 7. Flexibility. Make sure the loan is flexible enough to meet the changing needs of your business. This includes the ability to make extra payments or to refinance the loan in the future. It's important to have a loan that can adapt to the ever-changing business environment. For example, if your business experiences unexpected growth, you should have the option to increase the loan amount to accommodate that growth. And similarly, if your business goes through a slow period, you should have the option to decrease your payments or even postpone them for a certain period of time. Additionally, make sure the loan terms allow you to refinance the loan if your credit score improves, or if you come across a better loan option in the future. With a flexible loan, you'll have the peace of mind that you can adjust your loan to the needs of your business and not the other way around. Number 8. Purpose of the loan. One of the most critical things to consider when getting a business loan is the purpose of the loan. It's key to have a clear understanding of what the loan will be used for and how it will help your business grow. For example, if you're looking to expand your business, you'll likely need a loan for things like inventory, equipment, and hiring new employees. However, if you're looking to improve your business's cash flow, you may need a loan for working capital or to cover unexpected expenses. Have a clear plan for how you will use the loan and be able to demonstrate to the lender how it will benefit your business in the long run. And also, be realistic when it comes to the purpose of the loan and how it will help your business grow. Do your research and understand what types of loans are available and which one will best suit your business's needs and goals. Remember, getting a business loan is a big decision, so make sure you do your research and find the right loan for your business. With these 8 things in mind, you'll be well on your way to getting the funding you need to grow your business and achieve your dreams. Understand that a business loan is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's crucial to consider all options before making a decision. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing if you enjoy our videos. See you very soon.